My name is Marc Modica, and I teach here at the University of Virginia Darden School of Business. I've been here since 1998. I teach negotiations, conflict management, and management communications. In the AMP program, I focus on teaching negotiations. Students often come into a negotiation seminar or program with sort of a trepidation or aversion to the notion of negotiations. Most people think of negotiation as that sort of battling over a fixed pie, that tug of war that goes on when you buy a car or you're in the souk arguing over the price of a vase. I hope in the time I spend with the students that they reframe their thinking about negotiations and realize that they can move from looking at their counterpart not as a competitor, but as a collaborator in the effort to problem solve, create value, and of course go through the painful process of the distribution of that value. I really enjoy teaching in the AMP program because the students come from a variety of backgrounds. They're mature learners, they're motivated, and they bring to that conversation around negotiations and the creation of value perspectives that are insightful and diverse. It's a great group to work with, quick learners, quick thinkers, quick questioners. I'm a true believer in the program, so much so that a number of years ago I suggested to my son that he enroll in the program. He was fortunate enough to be admitted, and he's a graduate. So not only am I a faculty in the program, but I'm the proud parent of an AMP graduate. So I'm doubly committed to the program. It's true.
Yeah,
I actually went down and I said there was an open house, and Mike was talking to the people about make sure you spread around, and so when people come in, and I called my son up and I said, there's an open house on this program. He came down, and at the end of the day, he called me on the phone and he says, if they'll have me, I'm going. This is great. It was like, yeah, you're damn right. It is great. It's fabulous. So that's why I'm a true believer.